Alright, here it is at work.
Here it is, 2015. This is the 5-gallon plaster bucket design. See how easy this is? This is effortless. All I'm doing is pushing the snow, and it's going right down the chute. I don't have any effort whatsoever other than just to push this away from me. I'm not even pulling, not damaging the roof that we just put on. All I'm doing is skimming the snow, and it's going right down plastic vinyl. And all the materials can be had for less than $5. Here's the design. Here's the bucket. You might be better off putting the bucket on the other end because the taper makes it want to go compact and towards the end here. Make a trough, make it loop around the side, and you're all set. And that's it. It's easy.
Use it a snow mummy? So easy, even a 3-year-old could do it.
Even a 3-year-old could do it.